Hello there, fellow creatives and students. My name is Chelony from the Netherlands and originally from the Philippines, and I will be your teacher for the creativity called painting or arts. Okay, and I will be teaching you from basic to oil. It means we are going to do sketching, coloring, pencil, and before we move on to this kind of paintings, I want to make sure that you will learn the basic techniques, and I will make sure that you can make such a painting like this. And for me, it's not really impossible for you to make the same thing, and you can be more than me. You can be better than me. And of course, I'm going to give you a virtual tour or introduce to you the artworks of the master painters like Vincent van Gogh and the other famous masters here in the Netherlands and in Europe. And I've been teaching arts for more than 20 years, and most of my students now are also teachers like me, and also in the field of arts, graphic designing, and scattered all over the world. So, what are you looking for? Just call me and I will be your teacher. I will be your friend. I will be your coach, and you can call me or you can message me. You can ask for my help anytime, and I will be here for you. You need to contact me. You need to choose me to be your tutor or teacher so we can start our lessons.